Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Felix Art, showing you how to use the paint tampered on your sketchbook app. So now guys, this tool right here, this tool called paint tampered, this is the best tool so far on sketchbook app. Let's say you want to make your artwork look like this, okay? You can use this tool called the paint tampered. It's very good and very easy to use. So in this my recent artwork that I did, you can check my Facebook app. I posted this on my Facebook page. Now I need to show you some few things that I did, okay, on like how to get this particular section right here. So now it's very easy. First of all, make sure to lock this layer. Make sure that this layer is locked. Okay, now you go back to your paint tampered. Now what to do right here is to reduce the opacity. So I've taken mine to, let's say, 18%. Okay, now you will click the color picker. So I'll be using the color picker to select on the cap. Okay, now what you do here is to go to that your color, then reduce the luminance to a darker color. Okay, then you start to add it like multiple times. Now once you're done with that, then you can use the color picker to pick from this side. Okay, don't pick from here, pick from this place right here. Then you repeat the same process. But make sure that this place right here is a little bit darker than the other side. So using this tool gives this paint look for me. It gives this paint look for me. Then you can adjust the luminance to add some highlights. You can see. You can see, very easy. If you keep on practicing with this tool, you will surely get it. Believe me, when I started using this tool, I never knew I'll be this good at using this tool. So all these strokes that I'm doing here, all this artwork does need daily practice, okay? By watching this video, you can see what I'm doing here. There is no need for you to use the smudge brush again. You just need to use this tool. Just needs the right settings. Now add some little highlights on it. So now guys, there you have it. This is how to use the paint tampered. Okay, this is very easy to use. Okay guys, thanks for watching.